4 payments. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay, it's like layaway for a wig, but you get it right away. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. So today's video is brought to you by Eayon Hair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this very easy breezy install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
It's my heart and it's going away. My only weakness is you. Only reason is you. Every minute with you, I feel like I can do anything. Going, I'm going away. Love, you changed my whole life. Don't know what you're doing to me with your love. I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. Superhuman heartbeat with me. Nothing can stop me here with you. Superhuman.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Eayon Hair. It is their Afro Kinky Curly Machine Made Bang unit. It comes in a natural color and the starting price for this unit is $105. Now, depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price can go up. This unit comes in 12 to 18 inches, 150, 180, or 200% density, as well as a small, medium, or large cap. So for my specs, I got the 18 inches, 200% density, and my unit is $161. Now that's pretty affordable to me. However, Eayon Hair does have quad pay, so if you want to go ahead and check that joint out and get this unit for 4 easy payments, guess what? You can do that, okay? Like I said, this unit is machine made. It is also a full cap, meaning there is no lace to cut off this unit, no lace to blend down. No matter where you look, wherever you turn your head, no matter the direction that somebody's looking at you, all they're gonna see is hair. You hear me? And that makes this wig a very beginner-friendly unit, so I am here for that. It's hot outside. The lace is buckling on my face. I can't do it all the time, all right? Sometimes I just want to put a unit on and go out the door, all right? That's why I like my headband wigs. So if you don't have no edges, no hairline, or you suffer from hair loss, you can definitely put your wig cap on. It can, you know, protect your scalp regardless, and pop this joint on your head and go out the door. Look, listen. Listen, okay? This unit does have a 3B to 3C curl texture. I did co-wash my unit and then I went in with my products to work through my curls. I showed you in my put down what I used. It was one product, so I went on and worked that through the hair and I let her air dry overnight. Now when I put this unit on my head, she was a little crunchy. Okay, that's kind of what happens when you let your unit air dry after using products. It gets a little hard, okay? And I'm not rocking my units like that, all right? I'm not doing all that. So I did use my Revlon diffuser, as you saw. I put it on the highest and the hottest setting to make sure I loosen up the curls just a little bit, to give it a little bit more movement, to release that crunchiness, okay? To kind of get it, you know, kind of limp again. And then I went in on the cool setting and then diffused it and, you know, bushed her on up a little bit. And y'all, I'm here for this. I did cut a little bit of length out the front here just to kind of give her a little bit of shape. Not too much though, because I'm still not really sure how to do that. I'm not a cutter, because I be cutting things all wrong and they just end up trash. So I ain't want to mess with this unit because I actually really like her. So this is how we're sitting right now, y'all, and I must say I'm here for this. This is my second time wearing a wig like this, meaning that it comes, you know, in a full cap look. And the one that I tried before from another brand was way more expensive than this one, obviously, because of the hair texture. This one, I still will say they have a nice hair texture. It's very soft. I only got a little bit of shedding with this one. I got a little bit of frizzies right here in my face. I can see her about to snatch off my eyelash. Where you at? There you at. Get out of here. Get out of here. This is definitely giving me an easy breezy summer type of look. It's not too much around, you know, my neck or nothing. Now it will bring the heat because, you know, it's a lot of hair around, you know, your facial features, okay? But if you go ahead and just pin her back behind your ear, or you want to do like a little half up, half down ponytail and put like a little scarf on, you can definitely do that. Like, this is a really cute look for me. Okay, if you like it for yourself, then guess what? You can rock this unit too. Just know that you will need to go in and define your curls, you know, do some on up a little bit, and you'll be good to go. Any cons for this unit? No, it's not really any cons I can say. I mean, the hair comes like this. I mean, can we get into the hair, y'all? Can we get, look at the hair. Listen. I'm here for this. I'm here for this. Let me see if I had a little headband. Where my little headband at? Emmy, come here. Give me this headband. I could have got up and got it myself by now. Emery, I know you hear me calling you. Thank you. Well, this ain't the one I want. Oh, dang it. Okay, let me see. Let me see. I can't find my yellow one like this, but I'm gonna use a tan one just to see. Off my ears. All right, that's how we sitting. That's how we sitting. If I want to do like a little tie up like this, and I'm going to use a little shoestring, I'm going to wrap that around like this. Hold on, hold on. Where we at? Where we at? There we go. Let's see. Let's get it all up here. Come on, come on. Okay. Like this. A little bow like that. If I want to rock her like that, guess what? I can do that, sis. I can do that. And you still here? Get the wig. Get the wig, sis. I appreciate the watch time, but I know you want to get the wig too, okay? What's that? I'm about to say my BDB's out in the back, Lord. That's the wig, y'all. That's the wig. Don't be trying to play me. Look. So tell me what you thinking about this one on me, okay? Would you rock this unit? Is this easy enough for you to slay for yourself? Like I said, it can be affordable for everyone, okay? 4 easy payments. If you want to break this joint down and get it right now, but you don't got all the coin right now, listen, 4 payments. Ain't nothing wrong with that, okay? It's like layaway for a wig, but you get it right away. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Eayon Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.